Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I'm so happy to have you here. For today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this look. I do get a lot of requests to do yellow eyeshadow looks. So I have this one very simple, quick, and easy to do. And of course, I explain it to you step by step in case you're a beginner and want to recreate this look. That way it's easy for you. So I really hope you like it. Before we get started, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos, and give this video a big thumbs up please if you do like this look. And now let's get started. So I'm going to clean the bottom of my eyebrows using the e.l.f. Cosmetics concealer, and I'll also be using this as a primer for my eyeshadows. When you're using yellow eyeshadows, the important thing here is to apply concealer or any primer that's either white or a super light shade, because the formula and the pigmentation of the yellow eyeshadows, it's kind of, it has a different formula and it's kind of hard to make it stand out, like make the yellow stand out. Sorry. So it does help a lot to, if you have a white primer, and that's also the reason why I'm not going to set the concealer. I'm going to apply the eyeshadow directly on top of the concealer, and I'm going to be using the LA Girl eyeshadow palette. I'm going to apply the eyeshadow in tapping motions right on the crease from corner to corner, so it's going to look kind of like a rainbow, and you can see just a little bit how the color of the eyeshadow changed. It doesn't look exactly like the yellow how it looks on the palette, but it's not too bad. It just looks a little bit darker, but like I said, it does help if you have a light primer under the eyeshadow. And then to blend it out, I keep applying it in tapping motions on the edge of the eyeshadow, which is above the crease, just to pretty much until most of the eyeshadow is on the eyelid and not on the brush. So once I do that on the edge of the eyeshadow, I start blending it out in circular motions above the crease, and you can see that it's slowly moving closer to the eyebrows. It's moving higher, and since it's not a dark eyeshadow, it's going to be pretty easy to blend out. It's going to be quick and easy. Now I'm going to grab this eyeshadow using a smaller brush, and I'm going to apply it on my eyelid, on the inner corner and the outer corner. First in tapping motions, and I just want these to be on the corners, and I'm going to blend it out just a little bit above the crease. And since the areas I want this eyeshadow, the corners is a pretty small area, I do suggest you use a small brush instead of a big one. It's just easier to control where you apply the eyeshadows. Now I'm going to grab the same concealer with my finger, and not too much, just a little bit, and apply it on the center of my eyelid in tapping motions. And then to blend it out, I slowly start making, like going around the center of the eyelid, slowly making that dot a little bit bigger, and this helps to keep the concealer nice and blended. And of course, I don't want to cover up the brown on the corners. This is going to help for the pigmentation of the shimmery eyeshadow to stand out, and it's going to look really nice. Then I'm going to grab this eyeshadow again with my finger, and it's such a gorgeous yellow. I really love it. And I'm going to apply it in tapping motions again on my eyelid, on the center, and then pretty much do the same thing as I did with the concealer. Just start making the circle bigger and bigger, and just going a little bit over my crease. I kind of feel that I applied too much on the corner, so what I'm going to do is grab a little bit more of the brown eyeshadow and just apply it on the inner corner and outer corner. You don't have to do this step if you liked how it looks. Now I'm going to clean the brush a little bit on the back of my hand, because I'm going to use this to apply the yellow eyeshadow on my lower lash line, and this one's going to be from the inner corner to the outer corner, making sure I connect it to the eyeshadow on the top on the outer corner. Now I'm going to use the other side of this brush to grab this eyeshadow right here, just on the tip, and I'm going to apply this on my waterline. You don't want to grab a lot of product, because then it's going to go inside your eye, and you don't want that. And you can also do this using a Q-tip, and I like to do this when I don't have the color of the eyeliner I want on my waterline. The eyelashes I'm going to apply are from my brand EyesomeLux in the style Bella. These are simple and so cute and pretty easy to apply, and you don't really have to apply eyelashes for this eyeshadow to look complete. It's not like other makeup that it kind of looks weird, like incomplete without eyelashes. So if you just apply, or not apply, if you just have your natural lashes, apply mascara, that'll look even more simple if you don't feel like applying eyelashes. But yeah, I really hope you like this look, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Please let me know what you think in the comments below, and let me know what other eyeshadow looks you want me to do, like what color or what style, I don't know. Thank you so much for your love and your support. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!